Him. A chance to pick a pass there. Can he get it in? Comes off the defender. Him. Plays it down the wing. He's got men up with him here. Who can get to it? Chance here. Nothing more than a goal kick. Dos Santos. Trying to build some pressure here. Keeper happy to see it go for a goal kick. Good pass. There's a good ball in there too. Wouldn't let him past. Nicely done. Happy to knock it back to his keeper. Zico. This is developing nicely. They're on the attack here. Damjanovic. Not short of options here. Damjanovic. Now, can they make the most of possession? Cross collected by the defender. Let's ask them a question. Worth an attempt. Saved it! They need a good ball in here. Zico. Dos Santos. Didn't take enough care with the pass, straight out. Possession stats there for you, always interested?
No, not always for me, Clive, I'm afraid. I'm far more concerned with how my team are doing.
Referee has decided the added time we're going to get. Looking to get forward here. Shooting chance. They've done it! Every goal is welcome, but that one has come as a particularly welcome time. The half-time whistle is moments away.
What a lovely skill that is, Clive, to score goals at big moments, and that is right on half-time.
Underway again. It's now 1-0. Nice pass. Passing's good there. Well, the defending's very calm and assured, isn't it? At the halfway point, it's 1-0.
Well, that's a huge psychological boost for this team, Clive, as they just got themselves in front before half-time.
Two managers have had their say. Have their players been listening? We're about to find out. Ziku. Always danger when this man's on the ball. There's a chance here. Now they've managed to win a corner. Settled for conceding the throw-in. Him. Cut the ball out there. Good use of the ball. Had many support. Oh, look at this! Oh, he's been caught out. Chance maybe. Well, he's got an equaliser. How many times has he done that for this team? They're a one-man team at times.
Hardest thing to do on the pitch is put that ball in the net, and this guy does it time and time again.
Difficult to call this. Scoreline's 1 goal apiece. Damjanovic. Him. Dos Santos. Dos Santos. Pushing forward here. Dos Santos. Him. Dos Santos. Curls it. Oh, the goalkeeper had that. Change of pace here, change of emphasis maybe. It'll be interesting to see where the substitute plays. Dos Santos. Chance to knock it in. He's got a chance. There's some brave defending then. Man the ramparts. They managed to repel all invaders. They'll be back though. Dos Santos. He's quite a player when he's in this mood, isn't he? He's playing some great stuff at the moment.
It's great to watch. The crowd love it when he gets the ball. That's how well he's playing.
Just intercepted, saw that coming. Thinks he can score! Oh, if only he'd kept his head there, they would have been ahead.
Well, the crowd's reaction says it all, Clive, because that's a poor effort, a waste.
That's a good idea. Not easy to break down. Looking to get forward with the ball. It's a real chance! Oh, this will be interesting. It's a corner. How important will this prove to be? In out of danger. Dos Santos. I do like to use the full width of the field. Can he deliver? He's got past him. Goalkeeper was always favourite for that cross. Damjanovic.
Chance, one last opportunity to go on and win the game in these closing moments.
The whistle has gone, and we've got stalemate here. Nothing between them.
Two tired limbs out there as we start extra time. It's played back into his own box.
Damjanovic.
Now, can they launch an attack from this throw-in?
Support here. Damjanovic.
Nicely played. Well struck. Oh, how good is this keeper? Now, what can they do with this corner? Got his head on the ball. What hold of that, okay? Oh, well, that could have been the game right there. A real chance to go in front. Intelligent passing. Past the defender. Big chance. Beaten away by the keeper. He's trying to see. He's gone beyond the defence. Chance to hit one. Oh, pick that out!
So little time to recover from a setback at this stage of the game. That is a massive goal, you know.
Had the opposition got anything to come back with, Clive? Can there be a response?
Brilliant finish. That could well decide the end of this game, Clive.
The game was always likely to produce goals. Makes it 2-1. It was one of those moments in which the great defenders made their reputations. He simply had to get to that. The half-time whistle in extra time. 15 more minutes to settle this one. Always prompting and probing. All his teammates looking to make themselves available. Looking to get at the defence here.
Damjanovic.
Oh, look at this for a chance! Oh, the defender had to cut that out, and he did. Vital interception. Moving into the danger area here.
Only 5 minutes on the watch, but only a goal to the good.
What a chance! He's got a chance here! Great finish! Straight into the top corner.
I can think of a lot of teams that wouldn't really be looking for more goals at this late stage, but this team's a bit different, a bit more ruthless maybe.
And that's why they're going to be a threat, Clive, to everybody in the competition. That's a great finish, deep into extra time.
That's a brilliant goal. Once he gets beyond them last defenders, you're not going to catch him. You're not going to stop him from scoring today.
Makes good use of the ball, doesn't he? The pass. Credit the keeper. Made sure he held on to it. That's as far as it goes. No more time to add. That's the final whistle.